Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. For today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing this lovely device, the Apollo Neuro, and in this video I will share all of my thoughts about it with you. So if this is the first time of checking out my channel, hello and welcome. Please like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to check out my new video. So this is a wearable device with a difference. This device right here is the Apollo Neuro, and it's great to help your body recover from stress. It can help your body feel better. It can help you sleep better even. This lovely device can help you focus. It can help you stay calm. In the package, you'll find the wristband. Of course, you'll find the wristband. You'll also find an extra wristband, and also you'll find the charging cable and manuals, instruction guides, those sort of things. That's what you'll find here. This device was assembled in the USA. I found that the more I used this wristband, the better for me, especially. It's like a workout. This is the wristband, and it has this Velcro material that is easy to wear. You just need to wrap it around your wrist and you can wear it out and about in style. It's a nice, lovely device. The good thing about it is it comes with an app, so you've got to download the Apollo app, and on that app you'll see different functions that your Apollo device can do. The Apollo wristband is a wearable device that helps your body recover from stress. It helps you focus, it helps you stay calm, it helps you sleep better, feel better. So it just maintains your total well-being. It is not a medical product in the sense that it treats or it cures that sort of thing. It doesn't do any of that, but it's just something that you can add to your daily lifestyle. It's just like the Apple Watch. You know how you wear the Apple Watch, and the Apple Watch kind of helps your lifestyle really. That kind of thing it's quite similar to the Apollo wristband, where the Apollo wristband can help you stay mindful, help you stay in a state of calmness, focus. It can help you concentrate. It can help you, settle down to sleep. So this is the app. The Apollo comes with an app, and on the app there are different modes. So you've got the energy and wake up, you've got the social and open, clear and focused, rebuild and recover, meditation and mindfulness, relax and unwind, and sleep and renew. These are the different modes that you can set your device to, and it depends on what you want. Like, for example, when you wake up in the morning and you feel tired, because sometimes you could wake up in the morning after sleeping for so long, you can wake up in the morning and you're feeling tired. So if you feel tired, all you need to do is go on the app, wear your wristband first, go on the app and click on energy and wake up. So the wristband will gently release some vibrations depending on the intensity that you set. So a moderate intensity, it will just release some vibrations to your nervous system, so that your nervous system can realize that it needs to stay energized and it needs to wake up. So it's a very good workout for your nervous system as well. So that's really brilliant. That's one brilliant thing I love about it. It works with your nervous system. For the social and open mode right here, it's good when you are in a social gathering, maybe like a work event or a party. If you're in that kind of social event, it's good to have your wristband, especially if you feel anxious, if you feel shy, if you feel timid or something. You can wear this to kind of boost your mood, so you can get excited, bubbly, social, open, that sort of thing. So that is really good about the Apollo device. For clear and focused, if you want to stay focused, maybe you've got an exam, or you've got a test or something, a presentation to deliver, and you want to stay clear, you want to stay focused, you've got an interview, for example, you can wear this wristband again, set it on clear and focused, and it will absolutely, relax your mind. It will help you stay focused. It will filter all of the distractions, and it will just, help your nervous system stay clear, calm, focused. It's great for athletes as well. So if you're athletic and you have a big performance, you can actually, go for this one. And the other one is Rebuild and Recover. And you can set your Apollo wristband on this one after having a workout. Like if you've been to the gym and you want to recover, you want your muscles to relax after a workout, you can use Rebuild and Recover, and it will absolutely do a good job. You can use this one after mental or physical stress, and when you're feeling run down or sick, after long flights or travels, you can use Rebuild and Recover, and it will absolutely help you out. And then another good one is the meditation and mindfulness. This one is one of my favorite ones that I like to, engage in on this Apollo app. So this one just prepares you for meditation. It prepares you for mindfulness. It connects your body and your mind. It also helps you stay calm in different flow states. And if you feel sore or achy, you can use this one to just kind of like soothe yourself into a calmer state. So another one is Relax and Unwind. Relax and Unwind is great when you've had a stressful day, like maybe you've been stuck in traffic for hours, you've been super busy, maybe you're like a wedding planner and you've been mad busy that day. Relax and Unwind is so good for you, and it rapidly relieves stress for deep relaxation and before bed, for relaxation during travel, to calm down after intense stress. So this one is really good. And again, you can set the intensity. So if you want more vibrations, you can set the intensity, and the higher the intensity, the more the vibration will be. The lower the intensity, the less the vibration will be, but it will be more soothing, and to just be nice and soothing. So the last and final one is the Sleep and Renew. I like to use the Sleep and Renew, especially before bedtime. So this one just quiets your mind. So if you always think during bedtime, if you're the kind of person that always stays in your bed thinking of different things that happen in the day, this setting, this mode is great for you because it will quiet your mind and it will ease you into restful sleep. Some other uses of this one is before and during sleep, to fall asleep during the night. So if you, for example, if you're the sort of person that always has nightmares, you can use this mode, the Sleep and Unwind mode, so that after your nightmare, you can put it on and gently relax yourself again to sleep. If you're the kind of person that always wakes up in the night, maybe you have to use the toilet in the night, and whenever you do that, you struggle to fall back to sleep again, this device is great for you. This device is great for you. Use this, set it on the app, and it will absolutely help you fall back to sleep. So these are the things that I really love about the Apollo Neuro device. It's just a very lovely, it's a lovely device to add to your lifestyle, because so many things causes stress, tension, discomfort to us in our busy adult lives, but sometimes we need something else that could just help us out. It's very easy for people to tell you, oh, just stay mindful, take deep breaths, go outside, go in nature, walk in nature. Those are really easy to tell anyone, but really not everyone follows that, that whole straightforward approach. But having a device like this can help you. You can put it on whenever you feel a certain way. You can put it on to feel good. You can put it on to feel excited, to feel happy in social gatherings. If you feel tired, you can put it on to rest and sleep and, you know, relax. It's so good. It's so good. It's so brilliant. It works with your nervous system to just, you know, make you feel good, you know, after the whole thing. On the app, you can schedule. You can add a mode to your schedule, and the Apollo will play automatically on your chosen days and times. So if you want to relax every day by 6 p.m., you can set it on here and it will play automatically at 6 p.m. every day if you want to relax, you know. You can add your favorites, so use favorites to quickly access to your favorite modes. So if you've got some favorite modes like me, I love the sleep and renew, I love the meditation and mindfulness, and I also love the social and open. You can, you know, put it in here. You can put it in your favorites folder and it will remember for you. And you have a profile. So the profile will show you what activities you've done in the past 30 days, how many minutes, the current streak, all of that information is in your profile. And this is great because it just helps you, you know, stay focused on the whole plan and, you know, keep yourself up to date always. So Apollo is great. It's a brilliant wearable device, like wearing a hug in a device. So yeah, as much as I love this device, I would also love to see some improvements in the future to the design of the device. So this sort of Velcro material thing going on here, I would love for it to be removed. If Apollo could, you know, do a wristband, like you know, the way the Apple wristbands are, if Apollo could do that and kind of maybe change this whole face to look like a wristwatch, I think that would be good. I know they're trying to be different and unique and all of that, but I don't want to wear two things that look like wristwatches on my hand. I want to wear a wristwatch and know that I'm wearing a wristwatch. So I would like this to I would like the face to change to a wristwatch if possible, and then all of the things on the app, if it could be integrated into the watch, that would be brilliant, don't you think? If I could do all of my settings on the wristwatch face and, you know, still get the benefits of this wearable device on my wrist, that would be brilliant. I don't think we would need the app so much. So yeah, I would like Apollo to change the strap. I don't like the whole Velcro straps because a few times my strap has opened and my wristband fell down on the floor. It's happened a few times and I don't like that. I don't feel this whole strap thing is secure. So I would love it if they could change it to something similar to the Apple wristwatch kind of straps. Of course, be creative, think of a new pattern, style, design, yes, but something sturdier than this. I would love for them to change the face of this. The face looks pretty boring like this. Can you see the face, guys? It would be nice if they could, you know, add the whole smartness, the smartwatch design into it, make it a clock interface. I want to be able to look at this and tell the time, and I also want to look at this and do all of my settings or put all of my modes, my intensity, the vibrations, everything. I want everything in one device, and I think that would absolutely be amazing for this product. So yeah, that is everything that I've got to say about the Apollo device. It's such a brilliant product. If you struggle with stress, if you struggle with losing focus, if you struggle with concentration and remaining calm, if you are always anxious and, you know, this device is something that you need to get in your life. It doesn't treat anything, it doesn't heal you of anything, it doesn't cure anything, but it's a good thing to add to your life to maintain your well-being and your wellness. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly and I would love to have you join the family. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!